Good morning, folks. Nola here. Um, I made something and I wanted to show you, and this isn't it, but Karina sent this to me in one of her boxes. Isn't that amazing? It is absolutely gorgeous. And of course, I've added extra, but she put things inside as well. So yeah, she sent me this. I don't know whether she wanted me to sell it, but I really didn't want to part with it. It's so gorgeous, even pretty on the back. So yeah. Anyway, I um I just wanted you guys to see that. Isn't that amazing? But Karina had also sent me like a gift, not a gift, but a bag, a blue bag full of blue things for me to make something. So I decided I was going to do that. So it has been so long since I did anything, but I decided I would try to make something. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you what I did with it. Now she sent me doilies and lace and oh gosh, what else was in there? Well, I'll show you as we look at it. Anyway, this is what I made. I made this little book, and it's made with a square doily that I folded, and then this was a little dress that was knit, and I just turned it upside down and filled it with flowers and things. Uh, this pretty leaf, and I made some rolled roses, and these are some flowers that I got from Lenica when we did a trade, and these were just flowers that I picked up. I got a little gold brooch here that came from Deb Hendrick when she sent me some goodies. And then this, of course, came in the package from Karina. And then I added this little bow with some leftover trim. So then you look inside, and this is the first page. And this is just a picture. And this is some trim I got from Gail. A little butterfly here. And this is something I took off of a trim, a little bow, another little piece of trim down here, another little bow and some leaves. Um, and this little flower came from, I have to think. Okay, on this page, I layered up some doily pieces, and this is one of those pieces of an outfit that I took apart, and it looks kind of spidery. And then I put part of a doily down here, which looks like, it's supposed to look like flowers. Another piece of the doily is hanging down. And then I did some tiny little paper flowers, and they're hanging from that. So it's supposed to look like forget-me-nots or something. Anyway, use your imagination. I haven't done this for a long time, so then the next page, I put some things in here. Just take that out. So the next page, I just covered the page with one of these pieces of cotton, and then put a strap across here and some beads on it, and and then that makes a nice spot for tuck space for some goodies. And yeah, so I put some fun stuff in there. And then on the next page, it's just, I'm all caught up here. It's just a page with some lace and some, these beads came from Deb Hendricks, and some little flowers. I think these came from Gail 504. And then just the lace. And then the other side, I put some bands. Again, I'll just take this stuff out. There's some bands here, lace behind it, and then just some bands to slip goodies in behind. So I did that. And oops. And then the next page is just lace behind. This is another square blue doily that I folded inside the other one. So there's 1, 2, 3 of them inside. So this is just another couple of pieces of lace, another little applique. This little heart is from Prince Edward Island. It is one of the Anna Green Gables um, souvenirs. A little angel with a little doohickey there. And then this little page, I put some lace over top of the doily, then more lace on top of that. You could put stick pins or whatever into that. The last page, a rolled rose, just lace, some things I pinned on. And then this page, I made a couple of little pockets that I put just some bling in, and then another little pocket up here. These I got from Deb Hendrick, and the snowflakes came from Deb Hendrick. These little clusters were made by Karina. And yeah, so, and then I just put my name on the back. So this was, and that's the other side of the doily. So this was just 1, 2, 3 doilies put together and made into a little book. So I'm just going to give this away as a gift to someone. So I hope that this person enjoys it. Oh, and I tied the ends together just with some wool that I had. So I hope they enjoy it. And that's my first make in a long time. So thanks everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.